Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Niladri. So today I am in this Legendary Motors, Bardhaman Road, Siliguri, West Bengal. So today, as you can see, there are lots of Royal Enfield products behind me. So by this you must have guessed at what I am doing over here. So I'm here to show you the Interceptor 650 and the Continental GT 650 that have already launched in India. So yes, finally it is in Siliguri and it's a very honor moment for me that Legendary Motors have invited me to showcase this Interceptor 650 and Continental GT 650. So I have the managing director of this Legendary Motors. Allow me to introduce him, Vishalji. So
hi,
he is Vishalji.
Hi.
So he is the managing director of this Legendary Motors Siliguri. So Vishalji, anything you want to say about Interceptor 650 and GT 650? Anything?
There are a lot of things to say about Interceptor and Continental GT, and these are two basically flagship models of Royal Enfield, and it's a long-awaited motorcycles, and a lot of effort has been given to this both the motorcycles since almost 3 to 4 years. Yes, and it's a great motorcycle. I mean, I've test ridden both the motorcycles at Chennai, and it's an amazing product. And this is the, as I said, is a flagship model of Royal Enfield.
So then why don't we walk into front of this bike and show how?
Yes, that would be great. People would love to see motorcycle rather than us.
Yeah. So guys, I will just show you the bike. So this is the Interceptor 650. So I can see a windshield over here. So does it comes like with the bike or?
No, these are standard accessories with the not with the motorcycle, separate with the motorcycle.
Okay, so people have to put it like they have to pay extra money?
Yeah, they have to pay extra for this windshield.
Okay, so this is how the windshield looks like. And anything else that we have to pay?
There are a lot of things. We have installed few accessories.
I can see one over here.
Yeah, this is one brace pad. We call it handlebar brace pad.
Okay.
And this looks good. Apart from looking good, apart from the cosmetic thing, it is also for the rider's safety.
Safety in what sense?
God forbid if there is an accident, there is a crash.
Okay.
So the rider's head might hit here,
Okay.
There is a bar here. Okay. So basically to support the the rider's safety, this has been provided.
Okay. And anything else that we can see? This leg guard.
Yeah, these are leg guards, small leg guards for the
So
Interceptor.
people also have to put this leg guard?
Yes, it is absolutely mandatory.
Mandatory.
It's for the rider's safety.
Rider safety and as well as for the bike safety also, because once it gets fall down, this will have all the impact rather than having all the.
And this is the original Royal Enfield accessory.
Okay.
And then we have this intake here near the engine.
Okay, intake cover.
The intake cover, that's right.
Okay, nothing else for the rear part, anything?
No, not at
like,
the moment.
Like people, okay, let me show you the bike first of all.
Yeah.
So this is the bike, when you switch it on, this is how it looks. It has got ABS. And which color is this?
This is orange crush. This is the standard color.
Orange crust. So that basically the signature color.
Signature color of Royal Enfield, that's right.
Okay, so this is how the Interceptor looks. PS also, as you can see, it have got a dual exhaust with an air oil cooled radiator. Chrome finish mirrors, and obviously Interceptor 650 badge. So Vishalji, can you tell me something? Like we have got some accessories for the front part, right?
That's right.
So do we get any like this cover for this rear?
No.
Nothing.
The company has not come out with anything as of now, but probably it's on the R&D.
Okay, so Vishalji, we have heard one thing that this 21st century Interceptor 650 is less vibrant.
It is, yes.
It is. So do you have anything to demonstrate?
You want me to prove that?
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that. Can I have a glass of water, please? So you want me to place the water first or start later on, or what do you want me to do?
Okay, so you want to keep that glass?
So what I'll do is, I'll switch on the motorcycle,
Okay.
put a glass of water here, bottle,
Okay.
and then let's see.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay. Oh my. It's not even moving.
The vibration is very low.
So amazed to see that this 650 engine is not even that vibrant. No vibration at all. While side by side we have got this GT650.
That's right.
Right? So this is the GT650. So Vishalji, if I ask you which, you have ridden both the bikes.
Absolutely.
So if I ask you that which bike is more favorite for you?
That's a tough question. I see both the motorcycles are absolutely a different breed. That's a straight sitting posture, and there's little crouched in the front. The reason for that is this is a cafe racer bike, and when you can I sit on the bike and show?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So when you sit on this motorcycle, the bars are a little ahead, the tank is a little elongated, and the footrest is a little back. So when actually you sit on this, your body automatically leans forward. So this is for the city ride come short rides, maybe about 50-60 kilometers. Yes, a lot of people ride this on long route also, but if you ask me personally, I would rather prefer for long drive Interceptor. Yeah, but this Continental GT is my personal favorite as far as the cosmetic things are concerned.
So coming to the point, according to Vishalji, the Interceptor is meant for a long ride. If you're going for a long ride, then you can go for the Interceptor 650. And if you're on for a short ride, for a short spin, then you can go for this Continental GT 650. In the aspect of engine and everything is same.
Absolutely same.
Both are same engines, everything is same, but only the chassis and the frame and the body style and the sitting postures are different. So yeah guys, that is all from this Legendary Motors Interceptor 650 and GT 650. Yes, that's all for today's vlog, and let me tell you one thing that both the bikes are here in the showroom. So I will be getting hands on this bike very soon, and I will be doing it making a video review of this Interceptor 650 and the GT 650 as well very soon. As soon as I get the hands on this bike, I will be moving further to make a video. Before I wrap it out, I would like to say thank you Vishalji for inviting me on this showroom, and anything that you want to convey to my viewers, to the viewers that they are from Siliguri or other places regarding anything like purchasing or anything.
See, both the motorcycles, Interceptor and Continental GT, are on display at our showroom. And Interceptor,
will it be available to purchase?
They can book now, but the delivery schedule will start from February.
Okay, so you have to book the bike first, and then the delivery schedule will be starting from February.
From February.
So these two bikes are only for display.
These two bikes are for display. Yet Interceptor we can give for the test rides.
Okay, so guys, Interceptor has been kept for a test ride. So this bike they will get for a test ride.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, and the
from
GT
today itself.
From today itself. Yeah. Okay, it's 13th of December. So from today onwards, Interceptor 650 is out for display as well as for the test ride. And GT?
GT not yet.
GT not yet. So GT is not yet for test
very
ride?
Soon we will.
Very soon we will. Yeah guys, so that's all for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the more review videos regarding 650 and GT 650. Thank you so much guys for watching this vlog. Bye bye, take care, do ride safe, and yes, you can also follow my Instagram ID, that is Bike and Niladri. You can also follow me on Facebook page, that is Bike and Niladri. You can also follow me on Twitter, that is Bike and Niladri. Goodbye guys. Anything related to queries or suggestions, you can mail me. My mail ID will be in the description box below, or in the about section page of my YouTube channel. Goodbye, take care, ride safe, and yes, soon I will be seeing you guys with Interceptor 650 and GT 650 on the road. Bye bye.